We testing out the microphone in the trails. I'm up north in the upper peninsula. Hitting some sick 2-track. It's pretty fun. I got my family. Well, half of them aren't riding because of my sister's bike, I guess. But, you know, it's whatever. It's a 2026 YZ85. I don't know what's going on with it. It's a large wheel. It's like in every gear, it just bogs and bogs, and it sounds like someone throwing up. I don't really know what's wrong with it, but any advice I try and give her, she yells at me, so I just don't tell her anything. These trails are really muddy. Oh, wheelie. Whoa. And apparently very sketchy. Well, I gotta wait for my family. We'll be back. But yeah, anyway, anytime I try and give her advice, I guess I don't know what I'm talking about, so like, or she just yells at me or something, but, you know. Oh, deer! Whoa. That's odd. Never see those. Oh. I haven't seen deer in forever. So if you guys didn't know, in Michigan, there was like a virus. There's like a virus going around, and like it basically killed off all the deer. But yeah, it was like some crazy virus. Whoa, don't go too quick. Hey, let's go gamble. Okay, so I got to the single track trail. What the? What the hell? Oh my mother of God. Great, this is gonna be a whole mission. Nice. I did it! Holy shit! Gotta go up this way. Oh my God. What was that mission? Whoa, it's on my foot. Of course. Of course. Dude, my bike's at like 170. I'm like... Holy shit. I'm never going on these things again. This is my first time riding single track, and my impression of it, not very good. Oh my god. The skid plate worked though. Now this one, we can't make it over. Oh shoot. Pick her up, pick her up. Oh, mother fricker. Oh, this is gonna scratch up. Shit. Piece of shit. Okay. Just need to go like that. Let's go! What the?
Did you have fun though?
That was the most fun I've ever had. You should have saw this log I did some technical crap over. Yeah. Really cool. Move out the way. Oh, you good?
Oh, shit.
Dad! Well, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. We had a good adventure. Probably more single track another day, but see ya.